In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wallet Tracker on Alph AI. Now, the first thing you'll need is an account on Alph AI, so there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 5% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check it out. Again, link down below, you will not regret it. So, to use the Wallet Tracker on here, what you can do is whenever you are signed in, you can go to Trackers up top over here. And then what you have to click on is followed over here on the left, so very top left, and then you want to click on add wallet. In here, you can then just paste the wallet address. I have just found a random wallet here. You can also give it an emoji. So let's say I'm just going to give a normal smiling emoji here, and then I'm going to give it a nickname tutorial, okay? And of course, you can name this whatever you want. Click on the confirm button, and what this is going to do is you're basically going to start following that specific wallet, okay? And then whenever you go to activity over here, you'll be able to see the activity of your followed wallets. Now, you can also not be on this page and do this wherever. So let's say you were looking at the meme coins over here and hunting for them, and then down here bottom left it says wallet tracker. Click on that. You can basically pull that up on your screen and you can move it around wherever you want, and you can just see basically your followed wallets. You can add them whenever you want. You can also remove them, rename them, etc., and then you can also see the recent activity in here. So that's how you actually do it. That's how you use it. That easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.